What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a slime challenge. Not just any slime challenge. This has been going around but like in a different version. Also, I saw my friend DIYs by Abraham do this originally, so shout out to Abraham. I will link his video down below. So basically how this works is I'm gonna go on Instagram and post some polls and you guys are gonna decide how this slime is gonna come out. You're gonna decide the glue, the add-ins, the scent, the color, literally everything. So I don't know how to feel. Like, I'm excited. I feel like I trust you guys and we'll get a really cute slime, but also what if y'all want to see me fail and like make it all bad? What if it comes out looking like poop or something? I don't know, but I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to click that like button. Comment down below at the end of the video what I should name this slime. And do you think it's gonna be good or bad? You should comment that right now because like I don't even know what to feel right now. If you guys want me to do a video where you take full control of my life for one day, comment down below a robot emoji. I'm kind of down. Without further ado, let's just get straight into the video, honey. Let's get sliming. All right, so I got my container, I got my mixing utensil, and I guess we could just get started. So I'm gonna post a picture of the glue and see what y'all want to use. Okay, so white or clear. All right, let's see what you guys said. It's been like a good 20 minutes already. Oh my gosh. So 67% said clear and 33% said white. I love clear slime. It just takes so long. I'm doing a big batch, honey. Oh, clear slime. I love you, but like you're so complicated. That looks about right. I honestly have no clue how this is gonna turn out. I had a vision in my head, like a nice clicky white slime with beads and stuff. I feel like I don't think this is gonna come out anything like I thought it would. Now we're gonna choose a color. I have some blue and yellow food coloring, so let's see what you guys want. And now we wait. Are you serious? Okay, nobody wants yellow. Why is everybody going against me? 19% said yellow and 81% said blue. So basically the whole world wants blue. Okay, you know what? I don't hate blue. Like, it's a really pretty color. It's actually one of my favorite colors ever, but I was just feeling yellow. Okay, whatever, let's do blue. Okay, this is something I'm happy about. I'm happy about mixing in like colors with clear because it always looks so pretty. Mix. It's actually a really pretty color, so I'm not like hating it anymore. It's cute. What's next? The scent. I have two of my favorite scents because I was kind of like scared with this one. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna choose two scents that I like so that if the slime comes out really crappy, at least it smells good. So, oh my God, my spoon! Why does this always, I feel like it was going so smoothly. Something always goes wrong. Are you joking? Let's see what kind of scent you guys want. So I got rainbow sherbet and bubblegum because, are you serious? What? I need to calm down. I'm like getting dirty already. Bubblegum and rainbow sherbet because they're some of my favorite scents and like I wouldn't mind either. I guess I kind of cheated with that. I really wanted a good scent. So let's see what you guys want. I kind of want rainbow sherbet because it would make more sense with this. Okay, let's see what y'all think. Please choose rainbow sherbet. And now we wait again. Okay, this is gonna be a long day. All right, let's see what you guys decided on. Rainbow sherbet won. Okay, thank God, because at least I got this one on my side. 44% was bubblegum and 56% was rainbow sherbet. So it was kind of like really, it was a close call. 2 shots of sand.
2 shots of vodka.
My spoon is in the freaking, why don't I learn? Like, am I that dumb? This is like literally divine. There is so much scent that it's just flying. Okay, I definitely need more glue. Like, this stuff is just, I don't know, it's just too much of a scent, you know? That looks like it'll be good. I think this is good. Where's my activator? Oh my God, did I not bring activator either? All right, activator. I know this is kind of huge, but I mean. Okay. This is the thing about clear slime, like I love it and all, but it's just so much more complicated than like regular white slime. Like it goes through a phase where it's like a bunch of chunks and then it gets really stiff and then it's like all stringy and stuff and then you have to let it sit for like a week to clear up. God, it's just so messy right now. Whoa, the scent is literally everywhere. think it's time to get my hands in there. A lot of you guys ask me like, how do you make clear slime? You literally just have to knead it out and it's gonna look really ugly and super, super foggy. But if you let it sit for like literally like a week, then it gets like really pretty and clear. So it's definitely a process, I mean. My fiance has a mixer, you know, like, cause he has a slime shop and also he has literally industrial cake mixers and it makes slime so fast. Knead and knead. Let's go throw it in the mixer, how about that? Because that mixer was a lot of money, might as well put it to use. Let's go, y'all. Oh my God, there's a freaking mess in my house. It's okay, honey, I'll save you. All right, we are in the Squishy Bunny offices and I will show y'all everything, but first, one, it's like a big mess and also like, I know he's gonna do like a slime room tour, so I don't wanna show y'all everything, but I'll show you the mixers. So we got this 30-quart mixer over here. This is Mother Quaker, that's her name. We have that one and then we also have the 20-quart and this is Baby Quaker. So we're gonna go ahead and throw it in here. All right, we got our slime. I'm not sure why I was tripping about it being clear. I mean, it still looks white-based anyway because it's like so foggy right now. Do you see what I mean? Like mixers just make way better slime than humans. Oh, so good. Snow. Okay, let's see if you guys want fake snow or instant snow. I feel like instant snow is gonna win just because like it's huge, you know, cloud slime and all. But let's just see what you guys choose. All right, which one do y'all want? Okay, what did you guys choose? I feel like I already know, like it has to be cloud. It has to be instant snow. Instant snow won, I knew it by a lot actually. 28% said fake snow, 72% said instant snow. So let's go ahead and add our instant snow in. All right, let's activate our snow. I need some water. Did we not bring the water? So here's a little tip with making like cloud slime or whatever that, well, my personal tip that I find that works. When you activate your snow, you're actually not supposed to activate it all the way to where the point that it's like clear. You activate it where it's nice and fluffy, but you don't add too much water either, you know? Because this is what's gonna give it that consistency. If you add too much water, then that's when you're making like a jelly slime. And it makes it nice and thick too, so. I wonder if this is gonna be a snow or a cloud cream because who knows how much I added. Like, I don't know if I added too much or a little bit, I don't know. This is definitely gonna be a cloud slime. I'm excited. What is your favorite cloud slime, you guys? Comment down below because I feel like I go back and forth with them. Like I really like clouds, but I hate making them because they're like really time consuming and it's a lot of kneading. But I feel like the number one is like, I just love a good thick slime. Like a good thick clicky slime is like my favorite. So this is looking amazing. Kind of like semi-cloud, semi-like cloud cream, but it looks so good and it feels so thick. I'm actually loving the slime now. Next up, we're gonna see what you guys want, beads or filler beads. And I'm hoping you say beads because filler beads don't really go in cloud ever. I've never seen that. All right, let's see what kind of beads y'all want. Please say foam beads because this would make no sense with filler beads. Okay, let's go see what y'all chose. I'm assuming foam beads. I mean, well, people don't know how it's looking. They're just choosing what they want, you know? Filler beads won. Oh my God, this could have gone really well. If y'all chose foam beads, 42% foam beads. This is really cringy. I feel like this slime would have been bomb with the rainbow foam beads. Oh well. Oh my God. Ugh, okay. I don't think anybody does this. The fallout is insane. It doesn't go together. It shouldn't be a thing. It's not a thing actually. Oh my God, this is so bad. Ew. I mean, I guess when you really mix it in, it doesn't fall out as much, but still like, it's so thick that you can't even see them in there. Like it just ate them all up. But next up, we got either sprinkles or fruit slices, female fruit slices. Let's see what y'all want. Fimo or sprinkles. Let's see what you guys chose. Fruit slices won by 71%. Sprinkles has 29%. I was kind of hoping for this too, so I think we could save this. Okay. Ooh, these actually look really good. Oh my God, I love this. This is so cute. I love this. It fixed everything. Okay, I'm living. The kneading is just really hard though. Okay, so I think this is good. Last but not least, I am gonna ask you guys if you want chunky glitter or fine glitter. I usually probably wouldn't add anything else to this, but I mean, I didn't know what I was gonna come out with, so. Chunky glitter and fine glitter. So it was a close call. Chunky glitter, 52%, fine glitter, 48%. So chunky glitter wins, and I'm kind of happy about that. This is actually really cute, like little heart glitters. I love chunky glitter. So I guess we'll add some of this, and that's it. I love it. Like, it looks so cute. Okay, what would you name this? Like, that was the last thing. That was the last poll. You know what? I don't hate this. Actually, I actually love it. Like, it's so cute and it feels so good and thick. The filler beads, like, you can't even feel them. Like, that's how thick this is. It's like, it's not even, they're non-existent, basically. This is kind of cute. Like, I'm not hating it. And y'all basically made this. I mean, this was your creation. I love cloud slime. Comment down below what you would name this slime. I guess we'll have Mr. Squishy Bunny give us our expert review since he's a slimer now or whatever. So come through, Mr. Bun. Mr. Bun. Hey, I can't. What do you think? Because I feel like she's like really thick, like. Really? A little extra thick, you know. It was rushed, and look at this drizzle. I mean, it was literally like, I didn't expect this.
Give like a solid 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
I think she's a 10. What do you mean a 7? Look how thick she is. Okay, whatever. Well, thanks for your review, Mr. Bunny. I think she's a 10, but thank you. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!